Hi guys, welcome to another episode of FLM Trips, and today we are here in Seoul, Korea, and I just recently bought a new DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo here in Namdaemun, and I just got it at around, guess. Sige, it's just 850,000 won. So converted to peso, it's relatively around 35,000 plus pesos. So yun. So here in Namdaemun, near the Namdaemun market, you can actually see this here. So they're limited stock, so hurry. So I'm gonna do the unboxing here. So this is the box. So I'm just gonna open it up. So yan, ito siya dito. Use this handy dandy thing. Okay, looks nothing there. And here. There. Go. So we have this sticker, ito yung sticker na to. Hindi natin. Ayan. Yun. Buksan ko na siya. Buksan ko na. Silka gel. Oh, let's try it out. Here we go. Okay. And some documents and a DJI stickers. Ang madami siya. And then the papers. Light cut. Okay. There. And then this other box here contains it's the case. Okay. So yun lang kaya. It's the case. So let me just open up the case real quick. See? Yan. Na-allergy yung eyes ko guys here in Korea. Maybe it's the lamig at saka yung init. But yeah. So ito yung case. Ayan siya. May lalagyan siya ng mga lens and tuloy, mga filters and stuff. So that, okay. Tinatawanan nila ako dito kasi dahil nga sobrang mura niya, I had to pay it in cash. You have to pay it in cash because pag card, mas marami pang proseso and it's mas mahal siya. So let's open this up. Bag. Okay. The dandy bag. Open it. It's right here. Here it is. So here's the unit. And then the extension. It's the battery extension. So this equivalent. There. Ayan. So para mas malaki siya. Ayan. There's also this stand. The stand. think a smaller mount. Yeah, smaller mount. Ano tawag sa mount yan? Handheld mount. So yeah, that's that. Cables. USB-C to USB-C. The windscreen. And also the mic, the DJI 2 mic. Nice. Ano pa pala? There's also the wide lens. So here's the wide lens. That's it. Yep. I'll power this up and see how it goes. Ito na. Wait lang. Patayin ko muna pala. Left. Ay, hindi siya mamatay. Kinakalatan na dito. Paging green sticker. Oh. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, dito sa Namday Mall. Tapos for this one. Ayun, dito ko siya nabili, and I hope you guys like this vlog. If you guys want to see more of this, go on ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my social media pages. Guys, this is Evan Trips. Let's go!